So before anything else, we have to preheat the oven first for 180 degrees. Okay, before we start preparing the ingredients for the rainbow cake. Let's start. Next, we have to prepare the tin, 6 pieces of tin. We have to grease it with butter and dust with flour. Next, I will show you the ingredients. We have here 1 cup of unsalted butter. Room temperature, we have 4 large eggs and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we have 1/4 here heavy cream, 2.5 of sugar, and we have here 1 cup of buttermilk, and of course we have 3 cups of flour and the different kinds or the Roy G. Biv color for the rainbow cake. So we have to beat the butter first. Alright, so until become a light in color, then mix the sugar slowly. Pagpasensyahan nyo ng boses ko guys, just I'm not feeling well. Yung voice ko lang naman. Then next is, okay, mix lang natin siya hanggang magiging ano siya, lighter in color. At magiging creamy na yung butter at saka sugar natin. So, then after that, let's mix the egg one at a time. Mix it until incorporated. Okay, ito na siya. So, ang next naman natin is i-mix na natin yung tawag doon yung flour natin, guys. So, ganun din, slowly nyo lang na i-mix yung butter, ay yung flour, I should say, sorry. So, just mix it. Ang ginagawa ko kasi is, naglagay muna ako ng 2 cups of flour, then i-mix ko yan para hindi siya mag-dust. Kasi pag masyadong maraming ilagay mo lahat ng flour is grabe yung kusina mo guys, magiging ano siya, powder. So, yan. Ganyan lang. Next, yung buttermilk na natin. So, mix na natin yung mga wet ingredients. Alright, so ito na yung butter natin. So, dinivide ko lang siya into 6 portions. And each ball ay may different colors. Yung Roy G. Biv natin na rainbow color. So, ito na siya. So, yan yung purple, yan yung blue. So, ito na siya guys. So, ako na lang yung nag-contour ng color. Minisqueeze ko lang siya ng 2 beses sa bawat isang ball natin with different colors. Ayan. Taran! So, ito na lang guys yung kulay ng rainbow natin. So, Roy G. Biv. Okay. So now, ang gagawin na natin, next ilalagay na natin sa tin. Taran! Ayan, so ito na siya guys. So binake ko lang siya ng 10 minutes. So, kasi manipis lang ang ginawa ko. So ito na siya guys. Let it cool down an hour bago tayo mag-frosting. So napakadali guys ang gumawa ng rainbow cake. Tada! Ito na siya guys. So nag-frosting na ako guys ng cream cheese frosting. Buttercream cheese frosting. So ito na guys yung finished product natin. So after frosting ng Philadelphia cream cheese, bale, sprinkle na natin ng colored rice candies na sinasabi nila. So, ganito lang siya guys, kasimple ang rainbow cake natin. So, yung mga sprinkles niya is rainbow din. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at share na rin guys. At hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga next videos ko. I'm sorry for my voice guys. Bye-bye!